Huh, looks like it's about to rain today. All right, what's going on, guys? So we're out here on the south side today. We're about to check out these 2-story homes by DR Horton, and they've got 3 floor plans to check out, ranging from 3 to 4 bedroom houses, and from the low 1,700 square feet to 1,865 square foot models. The nice thing about it is all of them are under 450,000. So let's go inside and check some out. All right, so the first one we're gonna check out today is the 1795 floor plan. So you can see this is gonna be the 2-car garage right here. And as usual, you're gonna have pavers as a standard. And the nice thing about this community is the HOA is only $32. So let's go inside, see what we're working with over here. All right. So you're gonna have the stairway to the upstairs right to your left. What do we got? We got the powder room right here. And it's about 4 in the afternoon right now, so it's a little bit darker, as you can notice, but a lot of windows in this house. So again, this is 1,795 square feet, and it's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. So you can see you got a nice open floor plan right here. You got a good size island. You're gonna have beautiful shaker cabinets right here. The good thing about DR Horton is, of course, all your appliances are gonna be included. So what we're talking about is the fridge, the washer, the dryer, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. Give you a view from this corner right here. And again, we're over here at Spectrum Bay. And if you're not familiar with this side of the valley, we're almost to the far south side of the valley, right off the 15 and Cactus exit. So we're talking about 15 minutes from the strip, maybe about 15, 20 minutes from the airport. Check out this pantry right here. All right, got double doors to the pantry. I like that. Got nice sturdy wooden shelves there instead of wired shelves like other builders tend to use. Before we head upstairs, got nice quartz countertop right here. Got a nice undermounted single basin sink. All stainless steel appliances, which is really nice. The other thing you'll notice is we've got nice luxury vinyl planks as flooring. So let's go and check out the bedrooms upstairs, see how they look. Now, the only downside of this floor plan that we're in is there is no loft. So you're gonna have the 3 bedrooms on this side, and you got the primary bedroom along with the laundry room right there. So let's go and check the bedrooms out, see how big they're looking. Oh, not too bad. Pretty standard size. You're gonna have an LED puck right there. So all the bedrooms seem to be similar in size. Got sliding closet doors there. You got your full bath right here. Pretty standard. And the other spare bedroom. So pretty standard size, about 10 by 10. And over here, which is nice, because they've got the primary bedroom on this side. Okay. Primary bathroom. I do like this. They've got dual sinks and it's separated, so nice his and hers. And you know, everyone keep their own mess to their each side, which is cool. They've got your walk-in closet right here, which is a really good size. And of course, you got your walk-in shower right there. Give you another view right here. Sorry, it's a little dark in here today, but there is going to be one light included right there. Again, I'm not a fan of daylight savings time, and I don't like how it gets dark so early in the day. You got a huge laundry room right here, so a lot of storage right there. So again, this is 1795 square feet, 4 beds, 2.5 bath. So let's go ahead and check out the 1865 model. All right, guys, so this is the 1865 model. So a little larger from the previous house that we just checked out. So again, you're gonna have the 2-car garage right there. Same deal with the pavers as a standard. Got a nice elevation. Nice little walkway up here. So again, they've got 3 floor plans right here. This is gonna be the largest floor plan that they offer. 4 beds, 2.5 bath, and this one's gonna have a loft. So we've got your coat closet here. So this is gonna be your smart panel box. So a lot of the builders are having that as a standard. Again, that's gonna house your modem, your router, all your Cat 6 cables. And this looks pretty similar to the previous model that we just walked in. Maybe a little bigger. It's just flipped around, so give you a view from this side. Let me know in the comments below if this is a floor plan or if you really like this open floor plan that these 2 homes offer. So there's going to be the dining area right here. So you've got 2 large windows left, right. You've got the sliding door right in the center. The downfall is it looks like they don't offer much of a backyard space. So really nice. So they got beautiful luxury vinyl planks that's all gonna be included. And like I mentioned before, you're gonna have all stainless steel appliances, including the washer and dryer that's gonna be upstairs. All right, so let's go see what's this way. Okay, so we got a huge pantry with more storage deep down this way. Can never have too much storage. This is gonna be the half bath right here. All right. Gonna have the door to the garage right there. Now, here's something I do like compared to the previous model, is the other model had a stairway that just shot straight up, while this one has a little break, has a little landing, which I actually prefer. That way, just in case you eat it, you don't eat it on a long way down. All right, so we've got the loft here. So again, the other model did not have a loft. This would be the only floor plan that does. You have the primary bedroom there and the laundry room there, so we'll check that out in a second. So you got your first full bath right here. So just a single sink. And the nice thing is they have soft close. Got your tub shower right there. We've got our 3 bedrooms clustered all together here. And they're all fairly about the same size, about 10 by 10. All got sliding closet doors. And last one here, which has a window at the front of the house. So again, we're right off the 15 and Cactus exit. So really on the south side of the valley. But again, very convenient to everything that you'll be doing here in Las Vegas, whether it's going to the Strip, traveling downtown, going to the airport, that's about 15-20 minutes. Summerlin's about 25 minutes west. So good size primary bedroom. It's actually larger than the previous model, I would say. They've got a nice king-size bed, 2 large nightstands right there, with still plenty of space on each side. Here's the primary bath. So primary bath is going to have dual sinks here. It's going to have a door to enclose the toilet, which is cool because some builders require that as an option. Got your walk-in shower. More storage. Okay. And a nice big walk-in closet. So, let me give you one last look of the upstairs loft right here. And head back downstairs. All right, so not bad. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought about these 2 floor plans by D.R. Horton and any questions you might have. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. That way you're always notified whenever I come out with new videos about real estate here in Las Vegas. All right, guys, see you guys on the next one.